Barato. I'm Filipino. I'm 23 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I'm single. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the 4th in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Annalisa. How are you right now?
Good day, sir, madam. I'm fine, thank you.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, the right attitude of a good domestic helper is honest, hardworking, and patient.
How will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, madam, I will keep myself busy and focused to my work.
So can you tell us how to take care of children?
Sir, madam, the proper way of taking care of children is give them a food, vitamins, take a bath, play with them, and love with them as my own family.
What if you commit mistakes? What to do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
Any message or promise to the employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me. I need this job to earn money, to help my family, and to my own future. I will promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Annalisa, and good luck.
Thank you, ma'am, sir.